how to change email address on AliExpress. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change email address on AliExpress. To do so, first of all, open your AliExpress application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see a profile icon. Tap on the profile icon, and then in this page at the top left, you'll be able to see a profile icon with your profile name. Simply tap on it. This will take you to your profile page. Here next to your name, you'll be able to see edit button. Tap on the edit button, and in this profile page, you'll be able to locate account information option. Tap on account information, and here you'll be able to see your email address. Now to change it, simply tap on your email address and a verification code will be sent to your email address. You will need to first verify your email in order to change it. A code will be sent to your email address. You will need to wait for the code, and once you get the code, you will need to enter it in this field. Once you enter the code, tap on the verify button right here and wait for a while. After successful verification, now here you can enter a new email. Tap on the email box and enter a new email address. After entering your new email address, tap on the continue button, and now a verification code of 6 digits will be sent to your new email address. You will need to wait for the email, and once you get the email, you will need to enter the 6-digit code sent to your email in this box. After entering the email, tap on the verify box in order to verify the code. Once after doing that, you'll see you have successfully changed your email. Tap on the continue button, and in this page, now you'll be able to see your newly updated email address. So by following these steps, you should be able to change email on AliExpress. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.